Want to generate preliminary pit and dump designs faster? The Maptek online training Open Pit Design Basics course teaches you how Vulcan tools can help you design mines that conform to your site parameters. Begin with foundational concepts and tools to produce accurate preliminary pit designs quickly and efficiently. Assign berm and batter values to ensure projections automatically conform, and define geometric parameters to ensure designs are valid and mineable. Manually adjust pit strings to accommodate site obstacles such as buildings or boundaries, and project multiple benches for visual analysis with AutoPit. Explore several tools for pit and dump designs, including triangulations for volumetric analysis. Automatically adjust existing pit strings to meet specified constraints, create both top-down and bottom-up pit designs, and quickly generate dumps and dump triangulations that meet area or volumetric targets. Analyse volumetrics quickly with triangulation surfaces and solids. Create topographic surface triangulations from your pit and dump designs. Simultaneously generate multiple topographies from several inputs. Calculate volume changes over time from your triangulation data, and make triangulation solids for bench-by-bench volumetric analysis. Score at least 70% in your online exam and receive a training certificate you can post to your LinkedIn. Establish a strong foundation of open pit mine design knowledge and skills with Open Pit Design Basics from Maptek Online Training. Find out more at maptek.com.